अक्टूबर दिल्ली के प्रगति मैदान में आयोजित इंटरनेशनल समिट एडवांटेज हेल्थ केयर इंडिया 2015, जिसमें शामिल हुए 65 कंट्रीज, लगभग 170 एग्जिबिटर्स और 500 फॉरेन डेलीगेट्स। विशाल कॉन्फ्रेंस के पहले दिन के साथ ही हाईलाइट हुआ एडवांटेज इंडिया, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड ओवरव्यू ऑफ इंडियन हेल्थ केयर। चर्चा का विषय बन गई एक विशाल एग्जीबिशन, जिसमें मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ ही मेडिकल सर्विसेज, हॉस्पिटल्स, टूरिज्म के स्टॉल्स सबके आकर्षण का केंद्र बन गए। मेडिकल वैल्यू ट्रेवल पर आयोजित इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के दूसरे दिन ये उत्साह कुछ और बढ़ा, जब इंडियन हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज में प्रयोग होने वाली लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज पर डिस्कशन आरंभ हुआ। इस सेशन को संबोधित करते हुए मिस संगीता रेड्डी ने कहा,
I want to thank all my panelists for their tremendous insights and their sessions. I think India has no dearth of stories on innovation. From what's happening in the devices field to the innovations that are happening on a day-to-day basis in hospitals. Many of them, and I want to thank Kaushik for referring to my father, Dr. Reddy, who was the cardiologist who came back from India and was inspired to put up the hospital chains because of the loss of a young man before he could raise enough money to go to US for heart surgery, and before he could get his visa. So all the problems that people in your country are having today, people in my country had 30 years ago when we didn't have this infrastructure. So we were inspired to find ways to bring healthcare within the reach.
इस सेशन में पैनल पर थी मेडिकल जगत की जानी मानी हस्तियां, जिन्होंने इनोवेशन इन इंडियन हेल्थ केयर पर अपने विचार कुछ इस तरह व्यक्त किए।
I think this conference is positioned very well in terms of having the international community to understand the value addition that Indian healthcare is doing, and how they bring about the innovation, how they bring about the cost reduction, how they bring about the innovation in terms of patient care and medical records, and the overall policy framework, and how the Make in India is going to actually bring about the benefit to the world. So consequently, for better healthcare of tomorrow, we need to prepare within India and in the world in terms of the utilization of the high technology,
the innovations in medical device with the expertise, and through telemedicine, which is again technology, the IT technology which we have homegrown, we can reach out to the largest section of the country or the world, I would say. And that way, this is one of the best services, I would say, which India can offer to the world. We first proved through our IT and IT-enabled services that how we can innovate new things for the world.
Well, I think this is a brilliant initiative which has been started by FICCI to have integrated the entire medical tourism with all the hospitals which are there all over India. Earlier it used to be an individualized concept, but now this seems to be something where almost every hospital has a representation. Advantages for us and advantages for the people who are coming from abroad is that firstly we get to show them what all facilities we have, what all infrastructures we have, what all ways we can treat patients. Today, probably in present day medicine in India, almost every disease which is under the sky can be treated. For people who come from abroad, they get to see all these things, they get to see the kind of infrastructure which we have. Some of them would want to come here and learn a few ways of managing diseases. It would give them a chance to probably specialize, say, in cardiology or oncology or nephrology or urology, and probably when they go back to their country, they're better doctors. They're probably able to pick up diseases better. They're able to understand diseases better. They're able to refer diseases better.
It's a very glad occasion that today in this Pragati Maidan we are all here on enhancing this healthcare awareness by means of medical tourism. We have facilities, we have infrastructures,
by which we can attract the patients from the other countries and provide the technical aids and facility to them. I personally feel that every individual should be informed about the health. He has to be made aware of disease like cancer and also the lifestyle diseases.
The health facilities in this country have grown exponentially in the last 2 decades, and currently I would say that in most major cities the facilities are on par with the best centers in the world. And also increasingly the outcomes in complex procedures and complicated diseases is as good as you would expect in the best centers in the world.
This Advantage Healthcare is the best platform I have ever seen for sharing what we have in India, the vast experience of physicians, the top-class infrastructures, top-class equipments at a very low cost. So I think this kind of platform will showcase India's expertise and talents and will attract more patients from outside countries. And more, I think that as a clinician we should take lead to teach these physicians of a little underdeveloped countries who need our help, and then they'll be more able to diagnose the problem at their centers and send them to India to get treated.
एडवांटेज हेल्थकेयर इंडिया में आयोजित एग्जीबिशन का दूसरा दिन भी सरगर्मी से भरा था।
So the advantage of being in this platform that we can learn from Indian innovations and technology that has been done over the last many years, and many Africans, including my country Ethiopia, has been coming here to get treatments and different kind of transplant surgeries and so on.
I'm visiting this exhibition since India is one of our main markets, and we are trying to get connections with the government authorities, with the main hospitals available in India.
And this is my first visit in India, and during 3 months ago there was similar exhibition and conference in Myanmar, and some people from India came to Myanmar, and we know each other, and they invited me and come here, and this is a very good opportunity.
I'm very happy to be here because of opportunity we've been having to exchange with India which is leading the world in terms of medical tourism, and for now we have been exchanging experiences, what have been done up to now and what needs to be done.
Our expectation from the conference, it's a good forum for us to look at Advantage Care in partnership with India.
Well, I have to thank all the organizers for inviting us to this very important and excellent program, which shows the advances in medicine and in technologies in India.
She is a doctor from the pediatric departments in Russia, and she has great hopes to develop the relationship between India and Russia in the medical tourism, and especially the interests are in the pediatric department, and it's a very good thing what has been organized by FICCI here.
एक और मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट्स और इनोवेटिव इक्विपमेंट्स के स्टॉल्स का आकर्षण था, तो दूसरी ओर थे टूरिज्म, रिसर्च सेंटर्स, मेडिकल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स और जाने माने हॉस्पिटल्स के स्टॉल्स।
We want to ensure before going for treatment to a particular hospital or an individual doctor, he will ensure that the particular doctor has a requisite competence, qualifications, and what are the outcomes. Having NABH accreditation gives confidence to a patient that the care being provided in an NABH accredited hospital is of quality and patient safety is ensured in that particular hospital. And NABH standards, when we say we accredit any hospital against the hospital standards, hospital standards are international recognition accreditation.
धर्मशिला कैंसर हॉस्पिटल एंड रिसर्च सेंटर नॉर्थ इंडिया का पहला कैंसर हॉस्पिटल है जहां एक छत के नीचे कैंसर की प्रिवेंशन, उसकी अर्ली डिटेक्शन, डायग्नोसिस की स्टेज 1 का है, 2 का है, 3 का है, 4 का है, और फिर उसके बाद पेशेंट की इवैल्यूएशन कि किस पेशेंट को कौन सी पद्धति, इलाज की कौन सी पद्धति चाहिए, उसको रेडिएशन चाहिए, उसको कीमोथेरेपी चाहिए, उसको सर्जरी चाहिए कि उसको बोन मैरो ट्रांसप्लांट चाहिए, वो डिसाइड एक ट्यूमर बोर्ड बैठ के करता है, इकट्ठा जॉइंटली करता है। 25-30 डॉक्टर मिल के एक जॉइंट डिसीजन लेते हैं कि इसको कौन सा ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल होना चाहिए।
It's a multi-speciality hospital chain of hospitals, and we have a premier institute in orthopedics where all the specialized orthopedic work is being done. We are getting patients not only from India, but we are catering to almost all the continents.
Indian healthcare is today rated among the best in the world. There are primarily many reasons why Indian healthcare is at a stage where it can compete with the best, be it Germans or Americans.
We are here today to be part of the India Advantage Healthcare because we see that an international presence is very important for us going forward, and that's why we're participating in this first of its kind event here.
I would like to inform that and thank FICCI for giving us such a platform where we can connect with HCF and service provider all over the world. And also a brief introduction about our hospital. That's a 250 bedded hospital. It's a tertiary care hospital.
इस विशाल कॉन्फ्रेंस के दूसरे दिन सबकी जुबान पर थे इंडियन हेल्थकेयर के इनोवेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स। दिल में था जोश और मन में नई उम्मीदें।
Max Healthcare, which is a very large healthcare institution. So this is a very wonderful event and an initiative which is being taken by FICCI and the Ministry of Commerce. We are delighted to be here, and I believe these kind of platforms are necessary for people to come and see Indian hospitals, experience, go and visit hospitals, meet people, and hopefully send their patients here for treatment.
Apollo Hospital is the Asia's largest healthcare provider. About this conference, I must appreciate the government, the FICCI, the Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Tourism, who have all come together to form this kind of a platform to showcase India's capabilities across the world.
Yashoda Hospital group of hospitals is a 25 years old organization, and we have been catering to almost 28 specialties and super specialties, right from medicine up to joint replacement, cardiac surgeries, GI surgeries, onco surgeries, breast surgeries, plastic surgeries, and hence and forth. Advantage Healthcare 2015, we are thankful to FICCI, we are thankful to our Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Tourism for giving us such a platform where we all stakeholders from the healthcare fraternity are together here so that we can showcase ourselves to the world.
Prakash Hospital, Noida, which is a 100-bedded multi-super speciality hospital. We are basically into joint replacements and traumatology and doing advanced laparoscopic surgeries too. We are NABH accredited hospital, and we have recently started some business with CIS countries and African countries, including some SAARC countries too.
JP Hospital is a big hospital in north of India, having 1200 beds, and recently we have started all the high-end surgeries under one roof, like liver transplant, kidney transplant. We are doing bone marrow transplant. We are specialized in pediatric cardiac care, adult cardiac care, orthopedics, joints and spine. This event is a wonderful event. A lot of hospitals from all over India are participating in this. The credit goes to Advantage India. They have done a wonderful job.
SRM Institute for Medical Science, Chennai. And this particular gathering at FICCI held in Pragati Maidan. Today, in terms of quality, quantity, we are much ahead of the rest of the world. But what is now more important is the focus to the rest of the world that we can provide much better healthcare than the rest of the world.